Good day, everyone! Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Nandito pala ako sa Mimbalot Falls. Ang hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako ay magpapakilala sa inyo. Ako si Ana Pilusica.
I'm Junaisa Malikapaw Abdullah. I'm Faisal Salina.
I'm Hanina Kiram.
Good morning, young buds. And for those who do not know me, allow me to properly introduce myself. My name is Prince Hardy K. Barrett, and we're now here in Mimbalot Falls, located in Duroon, Iligan City.
Mimbalot Falls. Iligan City is blessed with 24 enchanting waterfalls, with Mimbalot Falls is being one of the main stars, along with Maria Cristina Falls and Tinago Falls. Mimbalot Falls is a multi-thread waterfall surrounded by large greenery and rock formation. Unlike Maria Cristina Falls, Mimbalot Falls is open to the public and is a popular spot for recreation, relaxation, and economic tourism.
Mimbalot Falls has long been part of the local community's daily life, particularly for residents of Barangay Buron. Before the rise of modern tourism, the rise was used by locals for bathing, washing, and as a natural water source. As Iligan City became known as the city of majestic waterfalls, Mimbalot Falls gained recognition as one of the city's notable natural landmarks. While it may not be linked to major national political events, its history reflects the importance of nature in local culture and also community development.
Historical and cultural significance. Mimbalot Falls is significant because it represents how natural sites contribute to community life and local identity. It supports local tourism and livelihood. It promotes environmental awareness. It strengthens Iligan City image as a city rich in natural heritage. Culturally, the falls serve as a shared space where people gather to leisure bonding and appreciation of nature, making it an important part of local tradition.
Why Mimbalot Pools should be preserved? Mimbalot Pools should be preserved to maintain its natural beauty, protect its ecosystem, and ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy and learn from it. Preservation also supports sustainable tourism and environmental responsibility.
Importance to Iligan City. One of the assembled waterfalls within the city contributes to ecotourism and local economy, encourages preservation of natural resources, strengthens Iligan title as the city of majestic waterfalls.